World Entertainment Television. Turn on the heat.
Hi everyone. So we're just going to see another huge beautiful package today, and this we're going back to basics to the rice. Of course, with the rice we're just making something different and yummy, and to fill it into the lunch box, as is the episode lunch box over here on Peppers TV. So we just rush through the ingredients: rice, pacha patani, cranberry, வெங்காயம், இஞ்சி பூண்டு, எள்ளு, ஜீரகம், உப்பு, soya chunks. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேனாக்க we are going to make a cranberry and peas pulao. Okay. So that we are going to put it into the microwave because it's very simple. See, in these episodes, I'm just going light on the microwave so that we can just introduce the microwave cooking also to them, so that they can cook some real food in the microwave too. Definitely. And it's not really kind of tough cooking, so for the beginners presumably, so that they can just kind of get used to the microwave. Then we would go on to the deeper recipes that could be cooked totally in the microwave. Okay, so this is a microwave dish where I'm just adding some oil. கொஞ்சோண்டு எண்ணெய், இது எந்த எண்ணெய் வேணாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம் நீங்க. Even nowadays some refined olive oil is also available.
That's what people are using nowadays.
Yes. Refined olive oil can easily be used for Indian cooking. In fact, I use extra virgin olive oil for my cooking also. At home, but still, people still find, that the flavor is a little, but perhaps I'm used to it or something. I don't find any taste. I feel
in India, years together, we are all using coconut oil and vegetable oil.
So let me just crackle this first. இப்போ வந்து இந்த ஜீரகத்தை ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு ஆயில் வச்சிருக்கேன். ஸோ இதை முதல்ல நான் வந்து மைக்ரோவேவ்ல ஒரு 1 or 2 minutesக்கு நான் வந்து இதை அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் வார்ம் பண்ற மாதிரி ஆக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் we will add the remaining ingredients. Okay.
So you set it for 2 minutes.
2 minutes in high power. Here I'm having cranberries. You could just taste one. They're really yummy.
To be sweet.
Yeah, sweet and sour. They're really very tasty.
Sort of like raisins.
Raisins, but they are a bit more candied and
Yeah, once you chew it, bite in completely.
They're a bit more candied and a bit more solid than raisins.
Yeah.
And கொஞ்சம் ஒரு புளிப்பு தன்மை இருக்கு.
இது எல்லாருக்கும் கிடைக்குமா? Like I haven't seen it much around over here.
Yeah, you maybe not get it in your regular மளிகை கடை or something like that.
But
you would get it in a little bit a higher end shop, But let me tell you, not at a too higher end shop. Any simple shop, like any of the Nilgiris or especially the places where you could just go and pick up your stuff and put it in. அந்த மாதிரி இடங்கள்ல ஈஸியா அது கிடைக்கும். Okay, so இதோட நம்ம வந்து சேர்ந்து போடுறதுக்கு we just have green peas. So the microwave is beeping now.
So in that we had the oil and jeera, if I'm right.
Jeera, right? Yeah. Okay. And I'm just keeping it on top of this. Okay, so it's now the aroma is
I can actually get
coming.
The smell even.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of cranberries to this.
Okay.
நம்ம எப்பவுமே வந்து லஞ்ச் பாக்ஸ்ல நம்ம எவ்வளவு நியூட்ரிஷியஸா நம்ம பேக் பண்றோம்ங்கிறது தான் வந்து it's a kind of a daily habit. It's not that ஒரு நாள் நியூட்ரிஷியஸா சாப்பிட்டா போதும்ங்கிறது இல்ல. It should be a daily habit. And இப்பவே பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா I have a maroon and I have a green into it. Does it look colorful?
Definitely.
Infuse color into the lunch box. Okay, so that it's more and more healthier and more tasty too.
Because the rest of the day we are going to depend upon this lunch only for the rest of the day.
அதோட வந்து இன்னொன்னு என்னன்னா, there's another peer effect also which is there. Moment you open up your lunch box, the others are secretly peeping.
What is
kids, kids would generally very happily look into others, but the office going people definitely they will have a peeping eye into that. So this I will just again microwave it just so that the raw tastes go off, and then I'll add a little bit of salt to it. Okay. If you're taking, இப்போ வந்து நான் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கிறது வந்து these are canned green peas. இப்போ வந்து நீங்க fresh peas எடுத்துக்கிறதா இருந்தாக்க, இப்போ let me just finish this microwave. I'm going to just microwave it again for 2 minutes. Okay? 2 minutes on high power. So இப்போ வந்து என்னன்னாக்கா, இப்போ நான் எடுத்துக்கிறது வந்து see these are refrigerated peas, canned peas. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து மார்க்கெட்ல இருந்து ஃப்ரெஷ் பட்டாணி வாங்கினா சரி which are a little bit on the higher end nowadays அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா வாங்கும்போது அதை லைட்டா பாயில் பண்ணிருங்க அதை so that அதையே ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா yes கொஞ்சம் பாயில் பண்ணிக்கிட்டாக்க it is a bit better. You could even boil it in the microwave, that's also fine. And especially microwave la boil பண்ணும்போது an important thing I'd like to tell is the color is retained terribly, you know, அப்படியே பச்சை பசேல்னு இருக்கும். Let it be anything, boiling French beans or boiling your green peas, எல்லாமே color அப்படியே retain ஆகும் அது. Even you can make your bindi masala also in the microwave and it will really retain the color. நீங்க கடாயில போட்டு அதை கிண்டி பண்றதுக்குள்ள அது கலரே போய் அப்படியே brown ஆயிரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு மனசு வராது. So the rice I have already kind of cooked, boiled so that இது இப்படி உதிரா வர மாதிரி பதத்துல வச்சிருக்கேன் அத. So this is and all very important for a pulav. So one shouldn't mash up the rice and say na pulav pongal மாதிரி இருக்குது வந்து புலாவ்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. அது
ரொம்ப கிரேனியா இருக்கணும்.
ஆமா கிரேனியா இருக்கணும் அது. The base for the pulav, no? So let me just add the rice. So you can just smell it, you know, you can just walk the flavor. It's just so lovely.
So we've got peas, cranberry and jeera and oil and now we're adding the rice in it.
Yeah, and we have already salted it also.
Yeah, konjam salt is also there. Okay, now a good mix up, a good stir for it.
Just stirring it across, you know, so your pulao is so simple yet so flavorful and so nice.
So you're like folding the peas and the cranberry into the rice.
Into the rice.
So don't keep stirring like this because everything is going to get mashed up.
You can you even use a fork also.
Okay, yeah, that's better, right? Okay.
So so let this rest for some time. So this is ready now.
Okay, so that's it. You don't have to put it back inside because that's the last
everything
thing
is individually cooked.
So actually the pulao is done.
Okay,
good. So that's done. That's the first step.
First step now.
Really simple process.
Actually, I thought I could just keep it in this, you know, so that whether it's a lunch box or the people at home also would love to have a tiny party at home, right? So let us keep it into that so that the woman or the man who cooks it can also enjoy it for themselves. Okay.
When you see it in that, it becomes even
more. Yeah, it
more,
becomes
you know,
more party types, you know.
Definitely.
So இது வந்து நீங்க லஞ்ச் பாக்ஸ்ல வச்சாலும் சரி இல்ல யாராவதோட பர்த்டே பார்ட்டி பர்த்டே இருந்தாலும் சரி ஹஸ்பண்டோட பர்த்டே இல்ல சைல்டோட பர்த்டே ஆனாலும் நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி இப்படி பண்ணி நீங்க இவ்ளோ அழகா சர்வ் பண்ணாக்க அதோட வேல்யூ இன்னும் அதிகமா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? இதுல வந்து கேலரிஸ் அதிகமா ஏத்துறதுக்கு வந்து நிறைய பேர் வந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா நெய் போடலாம், முந்திரியை வறுத்து போடலாம். So all that you can always do.
All that you can actually add. Depends your imagination is the limit actually.
அப்படினா நீங்க வந்து see once you are taking all heavy food நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும்னா நீங்க பேலன்ஸ் உங்க டயட்டை நீங்க வந்து பாத்துக்கணும் so that you don't really cross your limit. ஒரு லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் டிசீஸ் மாதிரியான ஒரு லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் நீங்க வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருக்கீங்கனாக்க நீங்க டயட்டை வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியமா நீங்க பார்க்கணும். ஸோ அதனால தான் இந்த லஞ்ச் பாக்ஸ் எபிசோட்ஸ்ல வந்து நம்ம டிஃப்ரெண்டான ஒரு இது பட் ஸ்டில் லோ ஆன் கேலரிஸ் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி நம்ம பண்றோம். ஓகே,
all thanks to Kritika. Let's not forget that.
நான் இப்போ எடுத்துக்கிறது வந்து ஹாட் அண்ட் சார் சோயா கிரேவி இல்லையா? ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து தேவையான பொருட்கள் நோட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சோயா சங்க்ஸ், அனியன், கார்ன்ஃப்ளவர், ஜிஞ்சர் கார்லிக் பேஸ்ட், செசமி சீட்ஸ். அதை தவிர வந்து நம்ம மார்க்கெட்ல ஈஸியா கிடைக்கிற சாசஸ் இருக்கு. ரெட் சில்லி சாஸ் இருக்கு, கிரீன் சில்லி சாஸ் இருக்கு, சோயா சாஸ் இருக்கு, வினிகர் ஆல்சோ. முதல்ல வந்து இந்த ஆயில் ஆட் பண்ணிடலாம் அதுல. ஓகே, இப்போ வந்து first I'm adding the onions to it. These are the pink onions which you get easily in the market. Okay, and then followed by I have made the ginger and the garlic paste fresh, which is
you made it here. On your own. Okay, good.
This is also available in the market.
Yeah, you get to buy packets selling ginger garlic paste. Okay,
and this is garlic. So what I'll do, I'm going to add this soya chunks to it so that it gets marinated. இந்த எண்ணெய் இருக்கு இல்லையா, எண்ணெய் அந்த ஜிஞ்சர் கார்லிக்ல எல்லாம் வந்து நல்லா அப்படியே மேரினேட் ஆகிற மாதிரி இதை பண்ணிடலாம். இப்போ வந்து இன்னொன்று another thing, new thing in the market என்னன்னாக்கா you're getting these flavored oils also in the market. That you have your own onion oil, and garlic oil, which will make the job easier for whenever, if for example, when you come home tired, you could just toss that and stir pasta and then have it instead of just chopping onions.
You get the flavor.
Instead of, I mean, of course,
there is no replacement for the
real one. But still, it's better than going hungry, right?
So and in the soya, you pre-boiled it, obviously.
Pre-boiled. Pre-boiling வந்து நிறைய நேரம் எடுக்காது, just ஒரு 5 to 10 minutes. So அதை வந்து அப்படியே வச்சு pre-boil பண்ணிட்டு எடுக்கிறோம். So once now I feel that the flavors are really totally good. இப்போ இதே மாதிரி வந்து நீங்க soya chunks க்கு பதிலா chicken வச்சு கூட பண்ணலாம். Okay? So that's also an option. So I'll just add a bit of salt also to it. Okay. இப்போ I will just now add the sauce. Yeah, this is a chili sauce. அப்புறம் வந்து நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி இதுல எல்லாமே வந்து மார்க்கெட் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே சால்ட் இருக்கும், சுகர் இருக்கும்.
So taste பண்ணி you have to do it.
ஆமா. So this will give the color for the dish, okay? And then the ultimate is the soya sauce, which will give the real deep, rich Chinese flavor, no?
Yeah.
You could also add monosodium glutamate to it, which is called your Ajinomoto. That also could be added, but again it's optional. If you want to take it, if you feel it's not good, leave it. But generally it's not too good. We're not eating so much. A cup full of monosodium glutamate is not going to go into our body. It's just a sprinkle only, which will just enhance the taste. So okay, let me just reduce the temperature.
The whole room is filled with this smell now.
Yeah, and now we will just top it up with some vinegar to give that total tangy flavor, no?
So it's really simple, right? There's not much that goes into it, but at the same time, you know, by the smell, that it's really good.
So this is done. This is done because I have just added these pre-cooked soya chunks, which is highly nutritious. So see, now even though we are just kind of doing it in at a shorter time, we are definitely not compromising on the nutrition point of view, isn't it? It's very healthy. Only thing we are just able to make it quickly. So these are kind of unique dishes which can be made in time. I'm somebody who believes, you know, even the woman has something to do of her own. Whether she's at home, she's a homemaker, or she's a working woman. Everybody need their own personal time.
Like today, if you see, everybody is working. Even women, you know,
women are working, and there's a huge burst of people who are working online from the home also, isn't it? So this is the thing. We just have to garnish it with the sesame, which I will do it when we are placing it in the lunch box. As promised, you know, na ipo vandu pandrathu vandu the apple rabdi, the sweet dish. Okay, so I'm just picking up an apple from this, and then I can just peel out the label so that we don't eat the label too. So I'm just grating it fresh. Ipo ஏன் நான் ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா கிரேட் பண்றேன்னா ஆப்பிள் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும், அது ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல கருத்து போயிடும். அண்ட் அது ஏன்னா அதுல வந்து நிறைய அயர்ன் கண்டென்ட் இருக்கு. ஸோ அதை அப்படியே உங்களுக்கு அயர்ன் ஆக்சைடு ஆயிரும். அது புட் லிட்டில் பிட் ஆஃப் pressure. I've grated the apple now. This is almost one apple, and even by the time that I have grated it, குள்ள பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்க நல்ல brownish ஆயிருச்சு. So இத வந்து நான் வந்து மைக்ரோவேவ் பண்ண போறேன். இப்போ அடுப்புல பண்ணனும்னாக்க ரெகுலர் கேஸ் ஸ்டவ்ல பண்ணனும்னாக்க இத முதல்ல நல்லா வதக்கிக்கணும் அத. ஓகே, one step for apple rabdi. நீங்க அப்படியே நீங்க அத பால்ல கொதிக்க வச்சீங்கன்னா 2 நிமிஷத்துல பால் எல்லாம் திரிஞ்சு போயிடும். சோ அதனால அப்படி பண்ணாதீங்க. இத முதல்ல வந்து இப்போ நான் வந்து மைக்ரோவேவ்ல வந்து ஒரு 3 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு இத வைப்பேன். So that it really becomes dry. 3 minutes, okay? 3 minutes, but I will be checking it at around 2.5 or something like that. So if it's done, I will be taking. இன்னொரு முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்னன்னாக்க அவங்கவங்க மைக்ரோவேவ்ஸ்ல அவங்கவங்க different type of heating component இருக்கும். அதனால அவங்க பார்த்து தான் வைக்கணும். So first time just try and always go in for a lower temperature and a lower time span, and so that if you're okay with that, if it's comfortable, the food is not getting burnt or anything, then you go ahead. ஆனா 99% இதெல்லாம் safe zones தான். இது வந்து ரொம்ப இது கிடையாது. You can always try it with that. Okay, இப்போ நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி I'm just going to check this for a minute.
So basically, enna vanona, it should be dry. All the water should have gone, and I can actually see water droplets at the side.
அதே மாதிரி வந்து அது இன்னொன்னு என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா blanching ஒன்னு பண்ணலாம்.
Okay.
But blanching this grated apple, if you go to sit and blanch it, you know, அதெல்லாம் it becomes really difficult to manage it. If it's going to be just solid fruit, you're going to blanch na easy அப்படி you can just pick it up. இத வந்து blanch பண்றது கொஞ்சம் difficult. Okay. So அதனால வந்து நம்ம இத அப்படி cook பண்ணிருக்கோம். So this is fine. Yeah, it's dry enough. So what I'm going to do, I'll just add the
condensed milk.
Yeah.
Definitely mouth watering. My God, I don't know how I'm going to control myself before it's ready.
And so the moisture in the fruit, you know, that will liquidate the condensed milk a little bit more. And this is almost done. Okay, so you don't need to really microwave it again.
So our lunch box is here, ready for all the ingredients.
So now I'm just filling up the soya chunks over here.
So Vanona, you can actually use chicken.
Ama, chicken போட்டுக்கலாம்.
Okay.
And then இப்போ இது மேல வந்து to give, I mean, kind of a fresh look, you know, instead of always adding your coriander or something there, just add 1 or 2 sesame over here. And then
your apple rabdi. So after all that, you know, savory food, sweet vanilla, you can actually.
And only thing you have to tell them to carry the box straight. That's one
thing. But no one's going to wait for the end. They'll have the sweet first and after they'll go to the pulao and all.
So, and then we come to the pulao part of it. I guess this much should do, right?
Yeah. You don't want to eat and then sleep off also.
Yeah. So you have to do a lot of brain work. Yeah. Because rice is always really heavy, so just close it and then send it across and
it's ready.
It's ready. Take a microwave vessel and add oil and cumin. Microwave it for 2 minutes. Add the cranberry and green peas and a little bit of salt. Microwave it again for 2 minutes. Add the cooked rice and stir into the pulao. Your pulao is ready. Take a saucepan, add oil, onion, ginger, garlic paste and soya chunks to it. Add the salt and chili sauce, red chili sauce and the soya sauce and stir till completion. Sweet and sour soya gravy ready. Grate the apple, microwave it for 3 minutes, add the condensed milk. Your apple rabdi is ready. Today we have seen the cranberry and peas pulao with the soya chunks, which is really spicy, and to kind of lower the
that, you have your
treat your taste buds, you have the
rabdi.
apple rabdi over here.
Okay.
And now this is there for you to.
This you don't have to cut it. I'm sure I can manage eating this.
So this is fine. Must really taste these cranberries, right? It's so good and so nice.
No, it's good that you're actually telling us how to use them, because a lot of people go to the market, other parts of it, they'll be like, okay, fine with that.
Exactly, yeah.
But Anna, when you actually know how to use it,
and you know, nowadays everybody have a culture of, you know, gifting each other with dry fruits and things like that. So nowadays in the market, especially in Chennai, you know, pathingnaaka nariya indha mari different fruits are also occupying your kaju. And your badam and figs, figs of course are always there, but you have these different things like these cranberries and you have these orange apricots, which you can't really eat them as much as you can eat your kaju kismis and things like that. So that's why you can and these are full of antioxidants also. So that's thing, important thing. Now go ahead.
Now time to taste the fruit. I'll have it with a little bit of soya, I suppose. So need time to chew.
So she's going to chew and then tell us how yummy it is going to be.
Take it
and because this is something like a Singaporean stuff, you know. It's again a fusion where we've made the Indian pulao into a kind of a westernized
with all the sauces and all that.
And
you know, there's a sweet of the cranberry, and then when you have it with the soya, there's another different punch, you know, at the back of your throat. Like It's seriously
really
different. I don't know how to
blasting in the
explain it.
mouth,
What do I
yeah.
do? But believe me, it's absolutely delicious. I can't stop eating it. I'm going to eat again.
So as she just eats it and munches through the lunch, I'm sure you would have noted all the recipes, the whatever we have done right now, and I'm sure you should really try it out and see. And are you sure they'd enjoy it?
No, because this is something I can make. You know, anybody can make
Anybody
it.
could
Being
make
a
it.
teenager,
Yeah.
I can make it.
It's very simple, and you can always
Definitely.
by making this, people would love you that they were
True.
you're a great
Orivati
chef.
panna, you know, you love it and then you'll keep on doing
on
it
trying
again
it,
and
yeah.
again. So it's really good. Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
How about the rabdi? Should we taste that?
Yeah. I'm sorry, I forgot to give you that.
Okay, look at the greedy me. Seriously, I am asking her to give me the rabdi. Oh my god. But you know what? It's got condensed milk.
yeah.
Two simple ingredients actually.
Too
Just
simple.
2 ingredients to make
And the
this
only
wonderful
thing that
dish.
you should be careful about is just heat the apples before you add the condensed milk. It won't make much of a change when you're adding the condensed milk, but it's always better because you're having a cooked dessert.
This is like, what do you say, a different texture in the mouth. I mean,
yes.
not something you get very often, but really good. And the condensed milk, I don't know, I'm out of words, seriously. This is so good. That's your lunch special for today. I hope you guys enjoy the show here on Lunchbox. Let's not forget it's time to end up now. This is Santana signing off, and let's not forget Kritika.
Thank you so much, Santana. And guys, I'm sure you would definitely try out these recipes and do keep it going and make more and more healthy food for your family. Bye.